Hi, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to another episode of Math, the Thinker's Cap. Okay, my name is Mr. Tam. Okay, in this lesson we're going to talk about the model method used in the primary school mathematics. Right, and this is usually taught in as early as primary 3, where students are taught how to use models to represent numbers, okay, and thereby performing the arithmetic operations on those numbers. Right. Okay. So in the modeling method, it is very important to understand the concept of units. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to convert fractions, whole numbers into units first, right, before applying the modeling method. Right. So let's take a look at this example here, right, where we will talk about how to convert whole numbers, right, into fractions first before converting them to units. All right. So let's look at the first example here. Okay, John has 5 times as many stickers as Mary. Right, in this case, the keyword here is as many, which is a direct comparison of John with Mary's possession of stickers. And I have 5. So I'm going to first of all convert 5 to fractions first, right? So 5, I'm going to convert to 5 over 1. All right, and then the 5 units here will go to John, and Mary will take 1 unit. All right, so in this case, Mary will have 1 unit and John will have 5 units. Right, so notice I use the word units instead of stickers because we do not know how many stickers does John or Mary has respectively, but we do know that in terms of units, right, John has 5 times as many stickers as Mary, right? So we're going to use units and not stickers. Okay, let's take a look at the next example here, right, where the phrasing of the sentence is slightly different. Okay, John has 5 times more stickers than Mary, right? So in this case, John has a certain number of stickers more than what Mary has, right? So in this case, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to convert it to fraction as well. So the whole number 5 will be 5 over 1. So we'll assign 5 units to John and 1 unit to Mary. Okay, in this case, Mary would have 1 unit and John would have 1 unit plus 5 units. Right, in total, John will have 6 units. Alright, so notice in terms of the phrasing and in terms of the outcome, okay, John will have 5 units on top of Mary's 1 unit, which gives him 6 units. Okay, where fractions is involved, okay, let's take a look at these 2 examples, right? Okay, fractions involved, we do not have to do a conversion anymore, right? So we can, in this example, John has 3/5 as many stickers as Mary. So in this case, as many means it's a direct comparison between John and Mary. So John will be assigned 3 units and Mary will be assigned 5 units, right? In this case, Mary would have 5 units and John would have 3 units, alright? So again, we use the term units instead of stickers because we do not know how many stickers they have specifically, right? Okay, in the second example over here, okay, the phrasing is again slightly different, right? John has 3/5 more stickers than Mary, all right? So notice the word more than Mary. So in this case, we will do the same assignment as well. John will have 3 units, Mary 5 units. So in this case, Mary will be given 5 units here. Okay, and because John has 3/5 more than Mary, so John will have 5 units plus the 3 units that is assigned to him, which gives John 8 units. Alright, so I hope that this lesson has allowed you to gain a better understanding of how to convert numbers and fractions into units. Okay, and in our subsequent lessons, we'll be talking about how to apply these concepts, right, and solve an equation and find out the value of 1 unit. If you like this lesson and would like to find out more, please join us in our next lesson. And feel free to share it with your friends if you have learned something interesting and useful. Thank you.